On the market you can find two different radios, but they are the same. This is Baofeng uv5r and Kenwood TK UVF8. Let's compare the sensitivity for these two radios using this device. This is Baofeng uv5r. You can hear the signal minus 130 dB. I think you will get the signal below the minus 32. Yeah, you can hear the signal on 2 meters band and 70 centimeters band. Baofeng uv5r minus 132. The sensitivity is great. Let's change the radio. This is Kenwood TK UVF8. 2 meters band minus 132 and let's increase the level of the signal. I think the Baofeng uv5r has more sensitive receiver than this Kenwood, because you can't hear the signal right here, minus 129, almost nothing. 70 centimeters band. I think the same. The signal you can hear only right here, minus 126 dB. For example, this is Kenwood. And I'm going to connect right here the Baofeng using the same signal. This is Baofeng. The signal much better. Actually, you can hear the minus 132.